We're practicing turns in Tai Chi. When you do turns in Tai Chi, we have to find a way to become aware of the 8 directions. So there's a direction in front of me, which I'm facing. The direction 90 degrees to my left angle, 90 degrees to my right angle. Then there's a 45 degree to my left front angle. There's a 45 degree to my back right angle. There's behind me, so there's right directly in front of me, there's 180 degrees behind me. There's my back 45 on my left, there's my back 45 on my right. So in Tai Chi stepping and Tai Chi turning, we're concerned with going to 90 to 180 degrees, then to 180 degrees plus 45 more. So the very first movement we have for standing straight, we make our motion where we turn, find the ball, and then I step 90 degrees. So my first step is a 90 degree pattern. Other times in the form we're going to ask to go 180 degrees. So 180 degrees is I'm in this direction, I rock back, I turn on the heel of one foot, make sure it faces a minimum of forward with the toe facing forward, shift the weight back by bending that knee and putting the weight on that left foot, turn on the right toe to pivot, and then swing out and readjust the back foot. So this is forward, back foot's on a 45. So turns are rock back, pivot on the heel to bring it close, minimum facing forward, rock back, turn on the toe to bring it closer, and swing it out across the body, readjust the back foot if you have to. So let's go over that again. If I'm facing forward, I have no problem. If I make my first 90 degree turn, it's turning the 90 degree, stepping out, readjusting the back foot. If I want to go 180 degrees, it's rock back, turn to the 90, rock back, swing it out across the body, readjust the back foot. So any 180 degree turn is always heel, then toe, around I go, swing it out, readjust the back foot. Now you can readjust the back foot using the heel to readjust or the toe to readjust. If you use the heel to readjust, it will bring your stance closer. If you use your toe to readjust, it will make your stance be longer. So you have to decide if you're going to use the heel or the toe. Both are acceptable. Sometimes you take a short step, just because that's what happens in the form. So you may want to lengthen it by turning on the toe to feel like you have a longer stance. Sometimes you took a really big step. It's like, oh, that's a little bit too far of a step, so I better shorten it by turning on the heel. Both are equally acceptable. Now, in the short form, the 24 simplified form, we have a turn that asks us to go on the diagonal. So I have this lamp here to give you an example. This is the diagonal of the corner that I'm at. So maybe I'm facing forward, my 90s. So that's my back 45. So there's a motion in the middle of the form when we do park the horse's mane left side, coming out to the 45 degree angle. I come up, pull back, press forward, make my circle and push. But now I want to make a turn 180 degrees from here. So I do the same thing. It's still a 180 degree turn. So I turn heel, then toe, find my ball, step out, readjust my back foot. So that gave me the 180 degree turn to do grasping bird's tail on left and right side. Immediately after this, I'm asked to do a 180 degree turn plus more. So I want to come to my original 90. So I rock back, turn heel, then toe, and then I'm going to swing way out to the side and readjust my back foot so I'm facing forward to this front direction. Then I'll turn to the front to start my wave hands like clouds series. So let's take a look at that feet again. I'm stepping on the 45. I turn heel then toe. Step 180 degrees from where I started. Make a big turn, which is all the way to the front, more than 180 degrees, and readjust the back foot. Then when I want to come to the front, I just have to do an easy heel toe, only a 90-degree turn. These are the turning processes. So let's take a look at the last retreat repulse monkey and move through the two movements in between that come immediately after that, and then into the wave hands like clouds. So I step back from my fourth retreat repulse monkey. I bring my foot in, I step out, parting the horse's mane left side. Reach up, pull back, press forward, make that circle and push. Then I'm going to sweep 180 degrees, turning on heel then toe, part the horse's mane, reach up, pull back, press forward, make the circle and push. Now I want to turn the 180 degrees plus 45 more to get to my original 90 to single whip. Then I'm going to turn and face forward, only moving 90 degrees, and move into the wave hands like clouds series. Good, I hope this helps explain how we do our turns. The thing to remember is always a heel, a toe, around I go, and make sure you adjust the back foot on a 45. The front foot's pointing to the direction you're going. Shoulders will square. Heel to bring it close, toe to bring it closer, swing it out, readjust the back foot. Thank you very much.